Our technology project is a dynamic duo project.
We created our own electronic song and built a helicopter.
For the electronic song, we used Hakusai 2, GarageBand, text-to-speech, and iTunes.
Hakusai 2 was used to trim, import, and send through AirDrop.
GarageBand was used to organize the song and preview the music.
Text-to-speech was used for sound input. We chose 2 different numbers to be said. We imported to Hakusai.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are checking what are the differences between the verse, chorus, and bridge. The verse has very little instruments and it sounds lower. But here we have the chorus, which is louder and has a bunch of instruments.
We're using AirDrop to send audios to my iPad so that we can put noises together and make a song. We are doing Hakusai to cut the sounds.
We are trimming sounds by using the app called Hakusai. And we are going to send them to the computer so we can use those sounds to put them inside the song. We are using a program called text-to-speech, and from there we are going to write zeros and ones so that
I can record those zeros and ones and send it to the computer, which will make it part of the song.
0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 zero 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 zero.
I have already selected my first part, and now I'm doing my second since we're gonna do 3 parts. So I'm trying to choose a sound that can go with the second part.